Hey all you teapots out there, my name is Steve. I am the author and director of RideTheTeacups.com. Basically means just I design and write the site. And as I showed you previously, I'm working on a weather section of the site to take over what's currently there, which is really ugly. So. Right now it's just, oh, this feature's coming soon, and it's super boring and goes back, right? But what it will soon be is this, and I am really excited to show this off to you. I think I'm just about finished. I think I am finished with the mobile version of what you're going to see on the weather site. So up here you'll have, I should say I am recording this on Sunday at 4:12 p.m. And these are the actual current conditions in Anaheim right now in Disneyland. So, oh, I'm going to change the background image. I should point that out. But beyond that, everything else is good. So, right now there are scattered clouds. It's 88 degrees. I can see, it's the 4 o'clock hour, so I can see basically how the rest of my day is going to pan out. This will actually change the hours that you see based on what time it is now to be most helpful to you planning the rest of your day. If it's first thing in the morning, you'll see like 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. and do that. If you do it at noon, it's just going to show you from noon on in, and the intervals will get a little tighter to make it a little bit more convenient for you. But you'll be able to see that. You'll be able to see tomorrow, 6 a.m. to 9 a.m., noon, 3, 6, and 9, and the temperatures and what it's actually going to be expected at that point. And if you want to get a weekly view, you can do that as well. So Sunday through Friday, the next 6 days worth of weather, kind of what to expect, what the high temperatures are going to be, and all of that jazz. So let's go to today just for now. I wanted to show you right now. I'm kind of simulating a Galaxy S3 for this, and then if you rotate your phone sideways, you'll see this. It basically just rotates the phone, same basic thing you'd expect. These guys up on top, and then the all of these with your selectable interfaces down here on the bottom. And I just wanted to kind of focus through all of these. So the Pixel 2, just kind of looking at the sizes and how things are actually looking on all the different devices. We'll be testing on lots of this actual hardware as we get closer. But right now, using Chrome to kind of simulate each different thing works out well. The XL is over here, the vertical, and that horizontal, of course, goes on. And then the iPhone 5, Chrome actually puts the overlay on a couple of these iPhones, which I think is pretty cool. But the iPhone that's there. In there, and I can see that my my SVG is actually starting to go down a little bit into the info boxes, and I think that's totally fine. It gives a little bit of overlay and kind of makes it pop out of the scene, which is what I was really doing anyway, as it goes off the top and off the side. Over here, it actually gets a little bit underneath the 88 more than the other ones do. I've done a couple things to try to mitigate that. One, I've actually put a blur effect. It's a CSS blur on the SVG up here. So you see these down here, they're nice and crisp. This one's a little bit fuzzy, and that's intentional. It's about 2 pixels of blur that's on there. I've also put a partially transparent black div behind the 88, so that everything beyond this, since it's white text, everything beyond it is by definition a little bit darker. So like these outlines on the clouds here are actually white. You can see them down here. They're actually white, but with the black div and the blur combined, it creates an effect to where you can see the 88 degrees very clearly, even though it's a white on white and you don't have any issue reading it. And then we get into something like the 789. You can see it's more spaced out, it's not overlapping. And again, you can still see everything down here nice and clearly. Same thing with the horizontal. You get into this guy, the 678 XL. Same thing, and you can see that with the horizontal. And then the last phone we'll check out, the iPhone X, which doesn't have that cool Chrome overlay, but I'm sure things are coming eventually. And again, everything is still totally interactive. Roll it over is still obviously on the weekly, because that's what I was doing. And now you can see over here the white part of the cloud is not anywhere near, well, anywhere near, right? It's not actually overlapping the 88 degrees because the screen on that one is a little bit wider than the other one. So it really helps me just kind of do a quick test over all the different devices and things that I've got. And I think I showed you this horizontal as well, but just wanted to show you we are going over all of these. We want it to be fully responsive as much as we possibly can so that it works on every design. That's been a really important piece for the entire site. We want to make sure that this entire site works very well on your phone, whatever phone you have, on your tablet, whatever tablet you have, and on your desktop, whatever desktop it is that you have, and work responsively, whether it's vertical or horizontal. We actually test these manually every single time with everything that we build, just to make sure this is the best experience for you. So the weather section, check it out, ridetheteacups.com, coming soon. We're hoping to have this rolled out in September. We'll see if we actually hit that date, but yeah, I'm very excited about the way this mobile works. Thanks for watching. See you next time.